back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you the 12 color Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolors. It have a sample card, a postcard size included when I bought it. The postcard paper is 200 GSM with 3 pieces of different types. So here's the box. So this is the brush that is included with the watercolor. It have a fine tip. So let's open it up and wrap the halfpans. This one is 502 permanent rose. This one is 00T alizarin crimson hue. This one is 095 cadmium red hue. Next one is 109 cadmium yellow hue. Next is 696 Viridian Blue. Next is this one is 179 Cobalt Blue hue. Next, this one is 660 Ultramarine. And this one, the next one doesn't have any label on it, but it's 544 Purple Lake. Next is 744 Yellow Ochre. Next is 074 Burnt Sienna. And then next is 609 Sepia. And the last one is 150 Chinese white. So here's the box. There is the label which is in Japanese characters, but there's on their own label they have their English names. So let's swatch this. I'm not actually used of using their the brush that is included on the box. And for how many years I haven't used watercolor, so it's like I'm trying to practice again. But using watercolors, I know for sure that it will help me a lot. Not to hurt my wrist, because I am colored pencil user. These are gorgeous, and their colors are really vibrant. This one is ultramarine. Forgot to mention the names of the other ones, the previous ones. Then next one is the purple lake. Purple lake. Yeah. So next, I'm swatching the yellow ochre. Next one is the burnt sienna. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Burnt sienna. So next is the sepia, and I think I will not be able to not swatch the white anymore. is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe as well and hit that notification button so you'll be notified whenever I upload the new videos. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!